Okay, so we have noticed we get some numbers, like what is an infinite list of numbers that we know is easy to explain and is definitely in the set?
So n plus 5, and then
But
just...
give me some numbers.
So you have like 2, 7, 12, 17, 22, 27.
Okay, that's definitely in the set. Yeah, what's a number that we know we're not sure yet is in the set?
4.
4, okay. I'm going to give you a challenge question. Another number we don't know for sure is in the set is 3. But if I find 4, if 4 is in the set, then 3 is in the set. Why is that true?
Sorry.
This is my challenge for this video. If I'm going to erase some of these other numbers. Although 54 squared. Squared was 2. 916. Okay, if 4, sorry my marker's running out of gas here. If 4, then 3. If we have 4, then we definitely have 3. And I want you to figure out why.
So
if we have 4, then we know 9 is in the set.
Okay, why?
Because n plus 5 squared is in the set,
Uh-huh.
and then we know n is in the set whenever n squared is in the set. So
Okay.
9's in the set.
and then we could just use the third rule. I mean the second rule.
Uh-huh.
Just get to 3.
Very good. So going back to our rules here, if 4 is in the set, then 9 squared is in the set, which means 9 is in the set,
Yep.
which means 3 is in the set. So cool. That's one challenge question. Next challenge question is, do you think we're ever going to find 1?
Well, you're not gonna get it from square roots because 1 squared would be 1.
Okay.
And
So plus 5 is 6. So you'd
so if 1 were in the set, then 6 would also be in the set.
well.
Okay.
If 1 were in the set, then 16 would be in the set.
Yeah.
So then, if 4 is in the set, then we also have 1 being in the set.
Ooh, interesting. Why do you think that's true?
Well,
Because you said you would go from 1 to 6
to 11,
to 11,
16,
16 to 4. So if 1 is in the set,
then 4 is
then
in
4 is in the set. But does that mean if 4 is in the
no,
set,
it
then
doesn't.
1's in the
It
set?
does not.
Why not?
Because you can't
go the
you
other
can't
way.
square any
They're
numbers.
one-way operations.
Right. These operations go one way only, so you don't
So-
get to go backwards. So let's go back to the original question then, on this part. Is 1? Do you think 1 is in the set?
I don't think 1 will be in the set.
Okay. What's your reason?
Well, it's since you can't. The only way to go backwards here. The only way to go backwards here is to. If n squared is in s, then you'll square root it and you'll get a smaller number.
Uh-huh.
But 1 squared is 1, so you'll never be able. You won't go backwards from that. You can never reach 1.
You can't get that small with just the square rooting, because that's your only way to get smaller.
Okay. Interesting. So it looks like
So
1 is
one
not
will
in the
be-
set. But if 4 is in the set, then 3 is in the set. And now that leaves a couple more questions open. Let's go to the next video.
Okay.